Do it. Wait, you guys made a video today? We're going to be unboxing the Google Pixel 5a. He left it! Okay, so, oh. It's better. It's way easier than the S22 to open up. Oh, yo! Oh, I just remembered everything about this. Whoa! So this is the seal. Oh! Oh! Look at that screen.
Man.
And the Google Pixel software and everything. Okay, so let's just lay this here. Right on the seal. And oh yeah, sim stuff. Blah blah. And charging brick. Cable weirdly packaged. I'll keep all this for later. And let's turn this thing on. It's got a headphone jack. This is so comfy. What the heck? Turning on. It's turning on. And this is the green color. I think that's what it's called. Cosmic green or whatever. It's still powering on.
There we go.
Oh! Hi there! Okay. Let's go get another phone to set this up. How about I use the S22 to set it up? Okay, so let's first talk about the design of this. Okay, look, it's got a very soft matte finish where it's green all around it. And it's got a headphone jack too. And that whole thing right there is a fingerprint Touch ID sensor. And look, the bezels. It's like they put the 500 camera up in the corner. So yeah. And the Google Pixel software is really clean. And they've added the volume up and down switches below the power button. I'll copy apps and data. Okay. Next. Brand devices. Cable. Should be like. Should be a cable in here. Gotta be C to C, you know what I mean? Okay. Depends on the brick. The brick is C. We're good. Plastic on there. Don't step on either if I'm lucky. Good. Trying to keep this pristine, but oh gosh, lucky. What did you call it? How come it makes it so hard to do? You know what I mean? Oh my! You little rat! Can you unravel this for me, Luke?
Yep.
Oh gosh, no, Lucky. We never usually video the setup process, but we're doing it today. And then after the USB device, smart switch. Always. Next Insert cable into your old device. I did, dumb bum. Update. Start switch. Oh, this is supposed to be the old device cable. But it's working.
Mm-hmm.
Copy data to your new phone. Copy. I said copy. Okay. Yes. What's the phone supposed to do? Send data. Cable. To your new Galaxy. Adapter. Already did that, dummy. Okay, need to sign into my Google account. You do not look at this.
We will pause. I'll be back after these messages.
Okay, so now the phone's set up. Yes, it is literally like 4, 5, 6 hours later. And there's the background. My videos, my latest videos. Okay, so now it's all set up. I got a nice lock screen picture. Lou. And look at Lou. He's sleeping. Okay. On. It's got fingerprint on the back. Fingerprint scanner, but look. Unlocked. But watch. Watch on the phone. You don't have to do this and then swipe up like others. Being quiet because people are sleeping upstairs. Software. Got all my apps on there. And then, look, see, when you do this, beep, beep, you can click power, and there's a bunch of that stuff. Ooh, almost click power off. Woo! Oh, we have the camera. Oh, this is gonna be thumbnail. Oh wait, hold on. Look, let me get the box. Don't stop. Photo.
Mm-hmm.
Did you take a picture on the iPhone? Dead reaction. Cause I was waiting so long. Okay. Anyway, so as you see on the camera app here, watch. Like when I click focus on my face, is it on my face?
Yep.
Wait.
No, it switched.
How? It didn't work, did it?
Yeah, it was working. You quit. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Anyway, if I was able
Can you
to...
tell us what that was supposed to be?
It tracks, like, watch the focus point right here. You hold it, for example, if there's a finger here, like, it would track it.
Oh, okay.
If I could see it. Wait a minute. I don't know how I'm able to do this. Wait.
Probably just the back camera is the only thing that does it.
No doubt it. Yep. That's stupid.
I can touch it.
No. It's got no screen protector, so can't touch it. What are you doing?
Just waiting.
Hold on. Open something. And here's what YouTube looks like on here. Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
See anything yet?
Yeah.
124 subscribers, and we are almost at 590 videos. And guess what? After this video, 590. So if you're the first person to watch my 590th video, well,
Congratulations.
here's a virtual cookie. I don't even know if I can edit it to work like that.
Virtual cookie.
Yep.
Nice.
Watch. Search picture cookie. Ooh. And the keyboard's really nice too. See, watch. Spelled subscribe wrong. Well, and that's it. Welcome to the next video with this little X-Paps, and I don't goodbye.